Hey, what's up guys, this is Junaid from Everything Smartphone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I bring to you one of the coolest smartwatches out there in the market in 2019, which is LEMFO LEM9. The company LEMFO itself produces numerous good quality smartwatches. Just a year back or so, I had received LEMFO LEM5 Pro, which I still use, and I did not have any problem at all. Now I'm gonna review LEMFO LEM9. Some of the key highlights about this smartwatch is the fitness tracking apps and the video calls using 5 megapixel camera on the front. This device is completely splash proof and it has got a built-in 600 mAh battery, which is huge for a smartwatch. Before I go to the unboxing part, let me go through the basic specifications about LEMFO LEM9. First and foremost, it has got a rounded AMOLED 1.39-inch full display coming with a very high resolutions of 454 by 454 pixels. You have a slot for 1 nano SIM card only. For the storage, you will have 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal flash memory. You will have 5 megapixel camera on the front. It supports Bluetooth version 4.0. The operating system used here is Android 7.1.1. For the performance, you will have MT6739 quad-core CPU, and it does support iOS 11.0 version or above and Android 6.0 version or above. The GPS navigation and Wi-Fi features are also enabled in this device. It also has got a heart rate monitor, pedometer and Smarty sports modes as well. As mentioned earlier, it has got 600 mAh high capacity battery. In addition, the 4G LTE band allows you to use the watch offline without connecting to a smartphone. That's kind of cool thing. So let's get started with the unboxing. You can see a beautiful black solid box, and the front side shows you a LEMFO logo. Inside the box we have the smartwatch itself. Here you can see a docking station, a micro USB cable for the charging and synchronizing with your PC, and you also have a special screwdriver. Since I have received this watch for the purpose of review, that's why I did not receive any user manual, but this will not be the case if you buy it. You will have a user manual guide, no problem at all. The design of the LEMFO LEM9 has a classic look which many users will like. The design is very gorgeous. On the front side, the smartwatch has a 5 megapixel front camera being placed at a very good position. The watch is equipped with 1.39-inch rounded display with a high resolution that is 454 by 454 pixels. On the back side, you will have a charging connector, a heart rate monitor and a slot for nano SIM cards with 4G LTE support. On the right side, you will have two function buttons, one for the power button and the other for the adjustment of timings. In between these two buttons you will have a tiny talking mic. The left side houses a sound speaker grill. This smartwatch is rated IP67 waterproof and it is also dust proof as well. In order to ensure safety to your device, you cannot wear them while you are taking bath or you are swimming. In addition, the watch weighs about 80 grams in hand. The bezels of this watch is made from aviation aluminum. On the wrist, the smartwatch is held using a high quality silicone strap, which makes it look premium. If you want to buy this watch, you have two color variants available. One is grey, the other one is blue. The brightness level is quite perfect and very comforting to the eyes. Even if you use it under direct sunlight, it will have no problem at all as far as the brightness is concerned. The watch comes in variety of watch faces and you can use one of them as your favorite. You can also customize the watch face to your favorite picture or photos to make it something unique. If you swipe down, you will have options for easily accessing the apps. If you swipe right side, there is a notification option as well. If you swipe down up, you will find fitness tracking apps which will help you to track your daily routine or fitness activity as well. LEMFO LEM9 runs on 7.1.1 OS. You can download almost any apps from Play Store at will. It looks like LEMFO LEM9 is designed to keep you healthy because it has got multiple sports features available as well, such as if you want, you can play badminton, rope skipping, outdoor run, outdoor track, outdoor walk, indoor run, ride bike, play basketball, play football, or you can play ping pong. So this is how you can track your basics activities and record your daily routine time to time. I've also tested the heart rate monitor. It works perfectly fine. and the reading is amazingly accurate. Another amazing feature about this device is the 5 megapixel camera on the front, which allows you to make video calls. Believe me, the quality of video calls are very nice, thanks to the manufacturer for leaving the previous light camera, which was kind of uncomfortable to use for the most of the consumers when it comes to making video calls. The image quality of this watch is just average. I was taking some photos and videos with this watch, and here I show you some samples. Despite the fact that the quality of these photos and videos may not satisfy you in terms of the modern requirements, however, if you still need to capture something on an urgent basis, this camera will come handy to you. The settings option is pretty much the same just as other conventional smartwatches. For the performance, it has got MediaTek MT6739 processor. You can install almost any apps from Play Store. I was able to play normal games with low visual settings, but if you want to play high profile games, because I tried playing high profile games with high visual settings and it did not seem to work perfectly fine. So I don't think this smartwatch is suited to do that. So for the performance, you have to play moderate games to get a decent delivery of performance drive. As mentioned earlier, the battery capacity of the smartwatch is very high, which is 600 mAh. Under normal usage, it will go on about for 2 days. If you use it regularly with a SIM card, then it will go on about for 1 day at least, and if you switch to a bracelet mode, then it will go on about for 4 or 5 days at least on standby. So I think the battery life is very great, because if you compare it against most of other smartwatches of its caliber, then I would say that the battery life sucks. Even some of the smartwatches have worse battery life, even like one you'd find that some of the smartwatches, the battery life would die after 6 hours of usage. This device takes about 2 hours of time in order to be loaded with full amount of charge. You can watch YouTube videos on this watch, which is great. The music is fantastic, but it is not too loud. While I was listening to music, the charge seemed to run away fast, so I would recommend you that you use Bluetooth headphones while you listen to your favorite musics. Another interesting feature about this device is that if you want to use the bracelet mode, just tap on the long standby mode. As the bracelet mode does not allow answering or making calls, you can connect your smartwatch with your smartphone via WeWatch app. It is an assistant application which connects smartwatches via Bluetooth, and some of its functions include sharing movement of the users, recording, anti-loss, and controlling media of the smartphone itself. Finally, I'd like to say that I really like LEMFO LEM9 smartwatches. The appearance, the camera, the fitness functionalities, the display, and everything of it seem to be working perfectly fine. And if you consider the cost, it is also worth buying. The integrated hardware is quite good enough. The memory is also very high for a smartwatch. The battery life is a decent one. This watch is now on sale on LEMFO official store. If you go to the AliExpress, you can buy this watch for only $159.99, but I have a discount code for you. If you want to grab the discount offer, you can directly go to the given link in the description below and save yourself some cash. So that's all for today. I will come with more videos like this next time. Please, in order to keep me charged up, please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon, because your support is my motivation throughout this journey. So take care and bye bye.